Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys long while setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys long while guys fingerprint lock remove setting. How to remove fingerprint lock in Lava Mobile. Friends, you want to remove Lava Mobile fingerprint lock, so how to remove fingerprint lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you don't want to use Lava Mobile fingerprint lock, you want to remove fingerprint. So friends, you can remove fingerprint lock. Open your phone setting. After phone setting, friends, open your phone password setting. First friends, open your phone security setting. Then friends, click here password setting. After password setting, friends, you can use screen lock password setting, face lock setting, fingerprint lock. Friends, if you remove your screen lock password, so friends, face lock and guys fingerprint lock will remove automatic in your device. Friends, you want to remove only fingerprint lock, so open your phone fingerprint lock setting, draw your device pattern, and once you have any password, so enter device password. And friends, you want to add fingerprint, so friends click here, you can add fingerprint. And friends, you don't want to use fingerprint, you want to remove all fingerprint, you don't want to use fingerprint lock, so friends cancel and yes, remove option. After remove friends, you cannot use fingerprint lock setting in your Lava Mobile. Friends, you want to use again, draw your device pattern and add your fingerprint. And friends, if you click face lock, draw your device pattern, you want to delete face lock, you can delete face lock in your Lava Mobile. If you click face lock will delete your device. So friends, I want to remove only fingerprint lock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.